Aloha, and welcome to Heavenly Album Covers. Here's an album by Frank DeLima and Na Kolohe. The album is called Don't Sneeze When You Eat Saimin, and it's live at the Noodle Shop at the Waikiki Sand Via Hotel, Hawaii. This was recorded in 1981 at the Noodle Shop at the Waikiki Sand Via Hotel, and apparently it's a comedy album. I've never listened to it. I just bought it for the cover. I think the cover is rather unique and interesting. I'm not sure which of these gentlemen is Frank and which one is Na, but they're here at a noodle shop and they're having noodles. Looks like this gentleman sneezed and he got his noodles and everything else on this gentleman. This guy in the background is laughing, and it's all very fun here. Lots of fun things happening. Saimin is just a type of noodle, and I think that's the whole gist of the album title, is that you don't want to sneeze when you're eating noodles. And let's look on the other side here. This is a Hawaiian comedy album. I'm not sure how many Hawaiian comedy albums there are, but this is one of them. And this is a aerial view of some notes. These are the liner notes, and there's some fuzzy photographs here. There's a reel-to-reel tape of some sort, and I think these are sunglasses, and there's too much going on here for me to delineate, but this is on Pocholinga Productions album records, and for some reason I really like the record label here. It's real simple. The lettering is nice. It echoes the lettering on the cover of the album, and it's all a lot of fun. Maybe one day I'll listen to this when I'm in a sad mood. The interesting thing is this is available all over the internet. If you search for this duo and this album, tons of hits come up. It's if you want a copy of this, you could get several delivered to your door tomorrow if you wanted. But this is Frank DeLima and Na Kolohe. Don't sneeze when you eat Saimin. Let's look a little bit closer at these guys. They're just cutting up and having a fun time here. He's got a great expression on his face. Great album cover.